Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make peanut butter. First, gather your simple ingredients. You'll need about 2 cups of roasted peanuts, a tablespoon of neutral oil like vegetable or peanut oil, and a 1/4 teaspoon of salt. The key to delicious peanut butter is using good quality, unsalted and unflavored peanuts. A high-speed blender or food processor is essential for achieving that creamy, smooth texture we all love. Place your roasted peanuts into the blender. Begin processing them on a low setting, using short bursts. You'll notice the peanuts transform from whole nuts into coarse crumbs, then a fine powder, and eventually a thick paste. Remember to stop and scrape down the sides of the blender every 30 to 60 seconds to ensure even processing. This step is crucial for achieving a consistently smooth texture. Once your peanuts have reached a pasty consistency, it's time to add the oil and salt. Pour in 1 tablespoon of your chosen neutral oil. This helps achieve that wonderfully creamy, spreadable texture. Next, add about a 1/4 teaspoon of salt. The salt not only enhances the natural peanut flavor, but also acts as a mild preservative. Continue blending for another 2 to 3 minutes until the mixture is completely smooth and uniform. Congratulations, you've just made your own delicious peanut butter. Transfer your freshly made spread into a clean, airtight container. For optimal freshness, store it in the refrigerator where it will stay good for up to 3 weeks. If you prefer a slightly softer consistency, you can leave it at room temperature for a few days. Now, go ahead and enjoy your homemade peanut butter on toast, with fruit, or in your favorite recipes.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.